Hey, this is Mark the Mechanic, back with another video. Right now I just have a 2005 Cadillac DeVille. It has a check engine light, and the code is P0449, which is the evap solenoid. It may be different issues with different cars, but for this car, it is the evap solenoid. Stick around, I'm gonna show you exactly where the solenoid is and show you how to get it out. This right here is the evap solenoid. Location is in the rear of the driver's side, right above the control arm. It's connected to the canister, and if you follow the line, it'll go right into the evap solenoid. Right here is the connection. The connection is, the tube is connected to the solenoid, and it has a clamp on the end of it, and you have to squeeze it together and pull. But the way the area was, it was kind of hard to get my hand up there, so I put a flathead screwdriver and just wedged it in between and pushed it back a little bit lightly, and it came off. Once you get the line off, all you do is take the connection off, and it's held on with a clip. You take the clip off and the connection is gone. Right there where I'm pointing at, that's where the connection is. Shine the light. The bracket is on the left side of the solenoid, and you'll see it, but on this particular car, the bracket was kind of rusted onto the solenoid. So I took a flathead screwdriver and wedged it in that direction, and it kind of broke the rust loose a little bit. And I just took a small mallet and I just lightly tapped in that direction, and it came off. And what you see here is me taking the solenoid out. It was very easy once the rust broke off. I guess it hasn't been changed in a long time. This is what the solenoid looks like. I hope it solves your problem, because it solved mine. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. Thanks a lot.